Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making chocolate covered strawberries. Instead of using the microwave, I'm using the stove. I filled up the pot like halfway, and the mixing bowl is not touching the water. And I'm also using the candy melts. I've mixed it with milk chocolate chunks. So we're going to go ahead and get a mixture of that. The chocolate is smooth. Grab my strawberry and just dip and put on wax paper. Let me go ahead and get some of this done, and then I will show you the results. Okay, you finished up the strawberries. We'll have it sit for about an hour. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. Okay, welcome back. I took a look at my video, and it looks like it didn't show some of the ingredients I was using. I'm using milk chocolate chunks, and I've mixed with dark chocolate, and I put that over the stove. So when you're setting it up over the stove, instead of using the microwave, I filled it up in the pan, which is halfway full of water, and the mixing pot will go on top of it, so the steam will be the one to melt the chocolate, and then just continue to stir until you have that smooth texture on the chocolate. Once it started to melt, I turned down the heat. I didn't want my chocolate to burn. You can also remove the chocolate on your workspace and dip it. But for me, I mean, I pretty much got them in, covered, and out of there on wax paper. So we'll go ahead and have it sit in the fridge for about an hour. Once the chocolate has grasped onto the strawberry, we'll go ahead and decorate it. So I hope you have plans for tomorrow's Valentine's Day. Treat yourself, family members, spouses, co-workers, anyone special in your life. So we'll go ahead and have these sit, and then we'll go ahead and be right back. It's about an hour since the strawberries were in the freezer. I'm sorry, in the refrigerator, not in the freezer. It came out great. In the refrigerator for an hour. I am melting white chocolate, the melting chips. I'm using the stove so we can put some coloring on the strawberries. So I put it in here, and I put it inside a container and put in the pot where it's on medium heat. I don't want the chocolate to burn, so I put it inside a cup, a glass cup. So let's go ahead and try this out here. So we're just gonna put zigzags on the chocolate. Let me put this down here really quick. And that did not sound good. Okay, my lid just popped off, so let me fix this. Okay, I've heated my white chocolate. I did the same thing as I did the chocolate before. I put a cup inside the pot and set it inside it and had the white chocolate melt. So just side to side. I know it doesn't look that professional, but it's the thought that counts. If you don't want any of the splash in there, just every time you do one strawberry, shake it around so the air pockets. And the chocolate won't come out. I was planning on putting red in here, but just decided to go with the white. There you go. And let's get the cake ready. And like I mentioned before, I mean, go crazy on the chocolate if you want to. Treat yourself, you deserve it. We'll have it set for a few minutes before and we're back. This is the final results. Chocolate covered strawberries. You can make them at home. You don't have to spend so much. You can do it yourself, learning process. Be creative. And let's take a slice of the cake. I did it in a marble cake. So let's give it a test. Delicious. I'm going to taste one of the strawberries. Good, very, very good. Delicious. So there you go. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you try this recipe, leave a comment below. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button. You'll get any recipes I make. I make recipes every week. Keep up with me. Stop by to say hi. Hope everybody has a fantastic Valentine's Day. Thank you.